myself will straight abroad, and to the state, this heavy act with heavy heart. Associate? This heavy act with heavy heart, relate. Aha. Oh, Gregory, you've outdone yourself this time. Oh, hello, William. I just finished your latest play. The Queen is going to love this one.
Myself will straight abroad into the state, this heavy act with heavy heart relate. Ah, brilliant. What a magnificent play I wrote. The Queen will love it.
William?
Yes, Gregory?
I know this isn't exactly in the job description for a ghostwriter, but do you think maybe perhaps I could get a writing credit on this one? Maybe just in the liner notes, at the bottom of the page, in small print?
Oh, of course. Why don't you come with me to the premiere?
Really?
Absolutely. I can introduce you to the Queen, and you can introduce the play to the audience, and afterwards we can sign autographs together. Although I have a hard time imagining that the general population will believe that a monkey can talk, let alone write. And having the fear of God in them will most likely go to the church, who will see you as some sort of demon and have you burned at the stake or something far worse. You know, on second thought, you probably shouldn't come. Sally opens the door and sees David facing the opposite direction. David slowly turns around, revealing that he was a shapeshifter the whole time. There's no way I'm reaching this deadline.
Same here. I've got the worst writer's block. And to think all Shakespeare needed was a monkey and a typewriter.
What?
Yeah, you know that story about how Shakespeare had a monkey with a typewriter writing all his plays for him?
What? No, you're thinking of that theory where if you give a bunch of monkeys an infinite amount of typewriters and an infinite amount of time, eventually one of them's gonna write Shakespeare.
That doesn't sound right.
It is.
Nah, I don't think it would take an infinite amount of time for a monkey to write Shakespeare.
Listen. Monkeys don't speak any English. They don't speak any language for that matter. You're gonna tell me that one of them's just gonna sit down and write a novel?
That's not true. Gorillas can learn sign language.
I mean, yeah, but like only the really smart ones. And that's a far cry from being able to speak complete sentences or like write them down onto paper.
I don't think it is.
I mean,
they're not
just
too
like
far
the way
off.
that their vocal cords are formed. It's different than like human beings.
Michael Jackson's
There's
pet
no
monkey.
way that-
He was talking about like getting a doctor to give it vocal cords so he could
Yeah, but
speak.
there's no way that
The
like they
only
could
thing-
act.
William?
Yes, Gregory?
Sorry.
Just keep
Okay,
pick
that's
up.
fine. Let's just keep going.
Maybe not. You monkey! However, the general population might not be convinced that primates right. And you know, the whole God thing.
That's what I wrote.
In second thought, it's probably better that you don't, because they'll probably burn you at the stake, to be honest. You know what? You probably shouldn't come.
Really?
Absolutely!
Really?
Hold on. Although the general population may have a hard time believing a monkey wrote this, that's not the line.
That's not how it worked.
And afterwards you can sign autographs together with me.
You added that one time, so.
I know.
We just end up splicing from every take. Absolutely, you can.
You did have one take of me in the corner.
Introduce that to the queen.
Alright.
Okay.
Absolutely. I can introduce you to the Queen and you can introduce the play to the... Why are you laughing?
So you went Australian. Absolutely, mate. For old time's sake. 3, 2, 1.
It
Type
really
those onto
isn't.
paper.
No,
No,
it
it
isn't.
is. It definitely is.
Oh, no, you're not.
Oh, no, you're not.
Okay. Alright, well, there's.
Oh, yeah. What? No, you're thinking... What? No. No, we're not doing this again. Monkeys don't speak English. They don't, you know... Monkeys don't speak English, or really any language at all. You think really one of them's gonna sit down and just end up writing an entire novel? Listen, monkeys... No, this is serious. Monkeys, they don't speak English. Why are you laughing? It's not funny. No, monkeys. Seriously, man. Monkeys... No, really. Monkeys don't speak language. What? This is... What's so funny about this?
Wait,
Monkeys don't speak any languages, right?
Kramer?
No, you're
okay,
disagreeing
stop.
with me.
Stop.
No, monkeys don't speak...
Okay.
No, why are you stopping the camera? But the dreaming... And I can't get over getting over you.